know what we are about to do, and it involves food, so you know what. So we are going to try out doing some sausage rolls for the first time.
And this is the quickest way to make sausage rolls.
Sausage rolls.
All you need is basically Pillsbury dough or any like biscuit dough basically, and your sausages, your brush,
ready-made biscuit dough,
your brush, and one egg.
The egg is for the egg wash at the top. You all know how the sausage rolls sometimes looking like that with like a yellow stain. That's what it looks like.
Okay. Yeah, so basically that's what we're going to do in this video. Alright, so let's get right in to the video.
We need the flat tray. We have a rolling pin?
I think so, yeah.
Why it is? No. We are on for true. Rolling pin not small, right? So you have to be somewhere. You know there? We are missing a utensil, a very important utensil.
So we are going to have to improvise.
We have to roll it with our fingers, it seems. Okay, so we have biscuit dough. We're not going to use all because it will not need so much. I don't know why it's looking like that. You know, when something like frozen and then it just do a quick defrost and it's looking a little soggy. That's what it looks like. I never used that one before. I used a crescent roll, so I don't know how that's supposed to look normally, but that's what it looks like. So we take one and roll it out and cut out to make the sausage rolls. Okay?
Let's recap for the sausage rolls. What you need? Your three: egg, brush, of course sausage, and of course your dough. Okay? And last but not least, the rolling pin. Let's give it a little flour so that I know it's about to stick.
So, and you said to be on an ungreased for this, on an ungreased sheet. So let me open that sausage so it will do a little thawing out a little bit while we roll that dough. Okay, I think that's enough flour. We're gonna have to make making dumplings.
You want some is we have to bake that because you got it down there after you open it. Alright? So let's bake it.
I'm going to wash this because it's new and never used. And a little bowl for our egg wash. The only thing I don't know if it's that the egg wash is just the yellow part or if we just can use.
Oh, you have to beat the whole egg.
The whole egg? I'm going to crack my little. I'll put the smallest egg since we don't need much. Oh!
Oh, damn. You could have do it a little more.
You can roll it out, it's a little thick. Don't forget it have to get a little puffy, like puff pastry. Okay, so I'm taking out the germ in the egg, the nasty. If you don't take it out, then you're. Don't try and hit one of these nasty things. It's nasty, man. You gotta take out your germ.
But you do the FDA again, your monitoring.
I'm hoping it's the DFA. But you will not say that shit.
Why is it DFA?
DFA, the one whatever association.
It's flat enough.
Let me see. Yes, ma'am. Beating my egg wash. I think I'll put a little seasoning salt in it. I was going to put some seasoning salt in the sausage, like to season the sausage a little bit. Should I still do it?
You don't really have to, but you can if you want to.
Small sausage rolls you're doing, eh? Right? Small ones, mini.
Yeah.
So it's beaten to perfection. And I'll use that to brush it. So should I brush inside first before you roll, and then I'll brush outside after?
Okay. So. So I have already rolled out my dough.
In my egg wash. Not much. I think sausage have a little bit of salt in it. Sausage salty? Sausage.
Not salty, but it has salt.
Should I see enough?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I mixy. Now for the brushy.
A little fresh smell.
This one is egg. So there's different recipes on how to do sausage rolls. So the way I do it is the way I do it. The way you do it is the way you do it. And we brush the outside after it's rolled on the top. You have to get a knife to cut it. So if you think you should sell sausage rolls for the Christmas season, comment down below and get to your order. Seriously. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let me brush. You want to fry the rest of the egg when you're done?
Well, most likely, because you got always.
Give it a nice color. And sometimes you give it a nice little crunch. Not like a Tostitos crunch, but a little flakiness, you know? Okay?
Okay.
And cut.
Really awesome. Oh.
So you all get little designs when you order, you all get little designs on your sausage roll. Ooh. Okay guys, so this is how
So this is how you do it, simple and
this
easy.
This is how you do it.
So we're going to do some more and also put it in the oven, and then we'll show you the finished product.
At 325, I think it said, degrees. But I put it on any degrees because no matter what degree you put it on, it's still baking.
Okay.
Alright,
so we'll get back with you guys in a minute.
Yeah.
Eventually.
This is the finished product. Well, not finished, but before it goes into the oven, I have already preheated the oven to, okay, the gun preheated to 350. So we have to make sure none's not touching, and then we're just going to pop it in there right now, and the rest of the biscuits, you're just going to bake it. Eat it, and there's other egg I guess it's going to fry it for himself. So stay tuned for when we are munching on those. They're going. Why is it playing music? So we're going to pop them in there now. I'll leave it at the top and put the biscuits at the bottom. And then now is the cleanup. So when it's done, we will get back to you. See, the one has left me hair alone. The one has left me hair alone.
Then
This is the finished product. We're about to munch on these little down something down there. Down sticky. Down too sticky.
what did it say? Don't put it there, so.
It said ungreased, so I guess that's the last time I listened to them. Well, once you put a knife on it, it'll be good.
Yeah.
So we left it for like, ain't it long, huh?
15 minutes.
Yeah, so. And we have ketchup, mayo. You're going to use mustard or any sauce that you want to use. We have mayo right here and the ketchup right here. I'm just going to add these two together. Mayo chop. And that's our dipping sauce for our sausage rolls. You see how my egg wash gave it a nice little crunch, feel it. See that little crunchy kind of topping. I know my stuff, honey.
Okay.
And these are the biscuits that look like floats for some reason.
Look like floats for some reason.
Very floats. Anyways, yes. So we're gonna have some sausage rolls for lunch with a cup of juice and our mayo chop. If you like this video and if you like sausage rolls, give this a like. Share this video so people will know the best. We're going Thanksgiving appetizer.
Or Christmas.
Or Christmas appetizer. You can use it for any season, any day. That's our lunch / snack for today. Okay, so like, share, comment, subscribe, and comment down below whatever you want to. Doesn't matter what you comment, just comment directly in the video. It's not all the way down here. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.